tips for passing down your crypto heirloom to future generations. If you're one of the lucky few who have managed to amass a fortune in cryptocurrency, you may be wondering how to pass down your digital assets to future generations. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when planning for the future of your crypto heirloom. Keep your private keys safe and secure. This is the most important step in ensuring that your crypto heirloom remains intact for future generations. Create a backup of your private keys. In addition to keeping your private keys safe and secure, you'll also want to create a backup in case of an emergency. Make sure your heirs are aware of your crypto holdings. If you're planning on passing down your crypto heirloom to future generations, it's important to make sure that your heirs are aware of your holdings. Consider using a cold storage solution. If you're really serious about protecting your crypto heirloom, you may want to consider using a cold storage solution, such as a hardware wallet. Stay up to date on the latest security measures. As the world of cryptocurrency evolves, so do the security threats. It's important to stay up to date on the latest security measures to protect your crypto heirloom from being hacked or stolen.